Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up account alerts with Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Twoguysfinance account, which you can do on the online platform, that's the website, or you can log in on the mobile app. Now once you log into your account, you're just going to select the accounts that you want to set up alerts for. That's assuming you have multiple accounts, of course, but just select the accounts, and then you're going to click on account alerts, or you can find the notification tab and then click on that, and just select the type of alerts that you want to receive. It could be a low balance alert, large transaction alerts, account top up alerts, whatever it is. Just select that, and then you can choose how you want to receive that alert. It could be by email, or it could be by text message. So just go ahead and set that up, and once you're done with that, you want to make sure that you review and confirm your alert settings, just to make sure you have everything accurate. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and test your alert settings to ensure that they're working correctly, and if they are, then great. But if anytime in the future you need to change something, you can just update your account settings as needed right here on the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up account alerts with Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next